Dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of unique wooden bathroom accessories design ideas for modern home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In the evolving world of modern home decor, where sleek finishes and sterile perfection often dominate, wooden bathroom accessories stand as a quiet but powerful tribute to creativity, authenticity, and timeless beauty. These handcrafted pieces, be they soap dishes, towel racks, toothbrush holders, mirror frames, or small cabinets, bring with them not just functionality, but a soulfulness that mass-produced items can never replicate. What draws both creators and homeowners alike to these accents isn't just the elegance they offer, but the way they represent a return to something more grounded, more thoughtful. There's something deeply satisfying about integrating wood, a living, breathing material shaped by time, into one of the most private, personal spaces of the home. It connects us to nature, to craft, and to the gentle imperfection that reminds us we're human. For the woodworker, designing and crafting bathroom accessories provides a unique opportunity to infuse creativity into utility. Each curve of a soap tray, the grain across a wooden tissue box cover, or the sculptural form of a towel ladder invites artistic decisions. Should the finish be left raw and organic or polished and refined? Should one use reclaimed timber, carrying a story of its own, or freshly milled hardwood with a sleek, modern feel? These aren't mere construction choices, they're expressive moments that allow the maker to leave a personal imprint. And that's what makes this corner of woodworking so rich with pride, the realization that even the smallest accessory has the power to express character, to provoke emotion, to serve a purpose, and to belong beautifully in a home. For many creators, especially those working from home or in small studios, crafting wooden bathroom pieces offers a manageable scale to explore form, function, and finish without being overwhelmed by logistics or costs. Yet the impact of these pieces is disproportionately large. A well-placed wooden tray beside a sink can transform an entire bathroom's mood. A floating wooden shelf, gently patinaed, can make a bland wall feel warm and intentional. The beauty of wood is that it wears time gracefully. In a space like the bathroom, frequented, humid, and often overlooked in design considerations, wooden elements offer a softness and texture that relax the eyes and the spirit. Beyond the aesthetic and creative appeal, there's also a sense of accomplishment that comes with making or selecting a handmade wooden accessory for such an intimate part of the home. These pieces aren't just ornaments, they're daily companions. When you brush your teeth next to a mirror framed in walnut or hang your towel on a cedar rack you built yourself, you're engaging with objects that hold a bit of your story. There's pride in that interaction. A quiet, almost meditative appreciation for the thought, time, and skill that went into shaping that piece. And this isn't just the pride of the maker, it's something homeowners feel too. Choosing handmade wood decor is often a statement of values: authenticity over trend, craftsmanship over convenience, sustainability over waste. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In today's climate of environmental awareness, wooden bathroom accessories also offer a powerful response to the disposable culture of cheap plastics and fast furniture. Wood, especially when locally sourced, recycled, or reclaimed, carries with it a low carbon footprint, a biodegradable nature, and a sense of ethical responsibility. Each handmade piece becomes a celebration of sustainability without sacrificing beauty or performance. In fact, the durability of wooden accessories, when properly treated, often surpasses that of their synthetic counterparts. This harmonious blend of responsibility and resilience is another reason wooden bathroom pieces are becoming staples in modern decor. They are not only timeless in appearance, but enduring in construction and intention. There's also a romantic quality to these accessories. Perhaps it's the way wood changes subtly over time, or the way its textures invite touch. But there's a poetic sensibility to wooden bathroom decor that brings a bit of story into the everyday. And for the woodworker, this means every project holds the possibility of becoming someone's cherished piece. You're not just building a shelf or a tray, you're crafting part of a daily ritual, a small luxury that becomes a source of comfort. That emotional value is priceless, and it's one of the most satisfying aspects of woodworking in this space. For homeowners seeking to modernize their bathrooms without losing warmth, these handcrafted wooden details offer the perfect solution. Sleek ceramics, glass, and tiles can often feel cold and impersonal on their own. But introduce a bamboo bath mat, an oak shelf, or a rustic pine mirror frame, and suddenly the room feels balanced, elevated, yet inviting. This interplay of textures and tones is where true design lives. And for modern homes that embrace minimalism, hygge, or even wabi-sabi aesthetics, wood offers the grounding element that completes the narrative. In a practical sense, wooden bathroom accessories also bridge a gap between affordability and luxury. They allow creators to craft beautiful, desirable products that don't require expensive tools or machinery, but still hold high perceived value in the marketplace. For the entrepreneurial woodworker, this is an avenue ripe with potential. These are items that sell well at markets, online platforms like Etsy, or even at boutique home stores, precisely because they offer a unique blend of function, beauty, and emotional resonance. Buyers are not just looking for things, they're looking for meaning. And wooden bathroom accessories, when crafted with care, offer exactly that. What makes wooden bathroom accessories so significant is not just what they are, but what they represent. They speak to a way of living that values presence over pace, authenticity over mass production, and intention over impulse. They are reminders that beauty doesn't have to be grand or complicated. It can live in the small, in the handmade, in the humble piece of wood shaped with care. For the woodworker, they offer a fulfilling creative outlet that blends artistry with commerce, passion with practicality. And for the user, they offer daily doses of warmth, comfort, and a connection to something real. That in itself is timeless. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked unique wooden bathroom accessories design ideas for modern home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.